the center of the Great Seal of the United States is a bald eagle, our national bird. It holds in its beak a scroll inscribed E pluribus unum, which is Latin meaning out of many, one, and stands for one nation that was created from 13 colonies. In one of its claws is an olive branch, while the other holds a bundle of 13 arrows. The olive branch and arrows denote the power of peace and war. A shield with 13 red and white stripes covers the eagle's breast. The shield is supported only by the American eagle to mean that Americans should rely on their own virtue. The red and white stripes of the shield represent the states united under and supporting the blue, representing the President and Congress.